afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Paramount Sweetmeat Farm here in the Philippines. Now, I am visiting my ongoing construction, but for today, we don't have work because it's a holiday and we don't have workers right here now. And I'm going to inspect the work done by our workers. So this is it. This is the construction of my bird's house, and we have already piled hollow block except this portion here, because this serves as the passage for the delivery of my materials. And a few months ago we have experienced the landslide, but now it's already clear, and we already aligned the beam, and we have already here piled, it's about 5 layer of hollow blocks. And this portion here is we have already piled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's more or less 8 hollow blocks or 9. And then this area here, the front side of the building, is much higher level compared to the other side. And this is the way of piling. Some people or friends ask me about the way I pile is different from piling of bricks, because I want to save the reinforced steel bars, because each in between of the hollow blocks I put steel bars. This is 10 mm deformed steel bars, and I did not ask. Normally, by filing bricks or hollow blocks, they put this one here. This area here is we put, supposedly this area will put in this side, but I use this procedure because I want to save these steel bars, because if I'm going to use that method, I have to cut the steel bar so that I can bring up in total is 0.6 meters. So in this way of piling, I can save steel bars or reinforced bars. And also I have every two of pile hollow blocks, I have put a vertical horizontal steel. So I think it is the strength of this wall is enough to carry this building or this side of the building. And that steel bars will go at the top of the second beam, or for the second floor. So that's my design. And here, this is the front side of my building, and that vacant area of vacant. We didn't pile this because this is the main entrance. I have to put the door here, and this room is for the sound system, because this time, or if this building will be completed, I need to have a sound system or recorded sound of the Swiftlet, so that they easily transfer to my new building. And that area there is another door for the entrance of the Swiftlet house. So this portion here will serve as the room for the sound system, and up there until that beam, we have to put a column for the second floor, and we have to extend that. And there I have also to make shall we say pilot house, or just like what we did in the other building, so that it served for the entrance of the Swiftlet. So this is my ongoing construction, and I'm very happy that we have already piled hollow blocks almost around the building. And that tree, this building will have a rope, so that's the time that I'm going to prepare for the wood planks, so that the birds will build their nest on the wood. That mahogany tree, I'm planning to cut that, because also it is not ideal in front of your bird's house have tree, because they wanted to have a wide space for their to fly before they go inside your bird's house. That mahogany tree is more than 1 meter in circumference, and I'm planning to use that. And this portion here, I have to level this, and I have also another tree over there. I'm planning also to cut the tree, use as the for the wood planks, or the wood, a piece of wood that the birds will build their nest. I'm gonna show you that big one. That tree is a very tall tree. Okay, it's about 2 meters in circumference. That's a very big tree. And beside this tree, this tree is Mulavi tree. That's a very hard wood, and I cannot use that because its height is short. I cannot make dust because it's short. I need 14 feet in length and 1 inch in thick, and the wide is about 8 inches. And also there's also another tree, but it's a smaller tree than this one. So this is the tree around my bird's house. There's a lot of insects. I did not clean this area here because I like the natural, so that the birds have its food, because some insect will live in that area and my birds have food to eat. And this is also another mulabi tree, and this is the makupa. That also there is there's some grasses. It's a natural in this area. I did not clean that. I just cleaned this portion. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos, and please don't forget to share, like, and some of my subscribers or viewers wants also to have like this business or farming. You can ask me. I also wanted to impart my little knowledge about this farming, and just message me. And once again, thank you and good afternoon, everyone.